Trick or treat! Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my Spongebob Halloween coloring page. I hope you guys follow along with me, and you need something to do with marker, a purple paper and some craft tools. So let's get ready because I will get started right now. Okay, so today I'm gonna color the picture of Spongebob asking for Halloween candy. Let's start on his face first. He has blue eyes. His tongue is pink. And let's color in all of his toes greenish yellow. And the rest of his body is light yellow. And let's color in his pumpkin hat orange with brown and green foot stalk. And Spongebob has a white shirt with a red collar. And his shirt is brown. Let's make his shirts white with red and blue straps. Lastly, let's color in the Halloween candy bag gray. And I finished color in Spongebob. Next, let's collage and frame the picture. And I'm all finished! Wow, this picture turned out so cute! I really love the funny pumpkin hat on Spongebob's head, and he looks so excited to Halloween! Alright guys, thanks for watching! I hope you have fun in my world of colors, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I'll see you next time. Bye!